The Indus Valley Civilization, also known as the Harappan Civilization, was a remarkable Bronze Age society that thrived in the northwestern regions of South Asia. Here are the key points about this ancient civilization. Origins and duration. The civilization began around 3300 BCE and reached its mature form between 2600 BCE and 1900 BCE. It eventually declined around 1900 BCE and vanished by approximately 1400 BCE. The Indus Valley Civilization is also referred to as the Harappan Civilization, named after the first city excavated, Harappa, located in present-day Punjab, Pakistan. Geographical extent. The civilization extended across modern-day northeast Afghanistan, Pakistan, and northwest India. It covered a vast area, including regions along the Indus River and its tributaries. Phases of development. The civilization evolved through three main phases. Early Harappan phase, 3300 BCE to 2600 BCE, the initial period marked by the emergence of settlements. Mature Harappan phase, 2600 BCE to 1900 BCE, the peak of urbanization, characterized by well-planned cities, advanced architecture, and sophisticated trade networks. Late Harappan phase, 1900 BCE to 1300 BCE, a period of decline, with cities gradually abandoned. Urban centers. The two major cities associated with the Indus Valley Civilization are Harappa, located in Punjab, Pakistan. Mohenjo-daro, situated near the Indus River in Sindh, Pakistan. Other sites include Sutkajan-Dor, southwestern Balochistan, Ropar, eastern Punjab, India, and areas along the west coast of India and the Yamuna River basin. Achievements and characteristics. Urban planning. Cities had well-laid grids, advanced drainage systems, and public baths. Trade and commerce. The civilization engaged in long-distance trade with Mesopotamia and other regions. Writing system. The Harappans used a script that remains undeciphered. Art and craftsmanship. Skilled artisans produced pottery, jewelry, and intricate seals. Agriculture. The fertile Indus River basin supported agriculture, including wheat, barley, and cotton. Legacy. The Indus Valley Civilization left behind a rich cultural heritage, but much of its script, language, and religious practices remain mysterious. Its influence extended to subsequent Indian civilizations. In summary, the Indus Valley Civilization stands as one of the earliest and most extensive urban cultures in history, leaving an indelible mark on South Asia's ancient past.